Don't tell. Now no one
तो
will
आपने
speak.
क्या बोला?
Eh, nothing, 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 nothing. He's just kidding, okay?
मैं तुझे
Just
कोर्ट में ले जाकर एग्जाम दिलाऊंगा.
and I will be judge, okay?
ओके. स्कूल के.
हाँ.
Yes.
And if you want to go Supreme Court, then judge will be Rachita ma'am.
Ma'am, High Court.
I am judge for High Court. For Supreme Court, Rachita ma'am. I think so.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
recording has started.
Okay. That's why I said that no one will speak, but then also he started that topic, so I spoke. What can we do? So whoever's fair book is complete, very good, and whoever's fair book is not complete, please complete and maintain. Because maybe in next parents meeting also it will be compulsory for everyone. Maybe. I don't know. So I'm showing you difference between square and rectangle. So who will tell me in square how many sides are same and in rectangle how many sides are same?
Ma'am, Hassan.
Yes.
Ma'am, in square, four sides are equal only, and in a rectangle, up and down side are equal, and left, right side are equal.
Yes. You can see these up and down are the same. Your these both sides are same, up and down, and these right and left. And in square all sides are same.
Ma'am, I tell perimeter.
Now, yes. Who was
Ma'am,
that?
perimeter of. No, I ask that I tell perimeter.
No, now no more. Now next question. So that question was that how many sides are same. Now who will tell me that which shape is this? This is land. You can see trees are there. This is land and this is one
Can
farm.
I share one very well? Ma'am, Brian can share. Ma'am, Hassan, not rectangle.
बाप रे बाप.
Can I share one very ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, can I say Rehan? Ma'am, Nakul Aggivasan spoke the answer.
Someone, brother or sister is shouting.
No, ma'am, this is Miss Abu Mehman से आ रहा है आवाज.
Oh, oh.
Ma'am, someone right is Abu Mehman. From that the voice is coming.
मतलब जब बुला रहे थे तब नहीं अभी बोले, अब नहीं बुला रहे तब माइक अनम्यूट है. वाओ, ग्रेट.
हाँ, अबू बेटा, देखो मेरी चैट ने काम कर दिया.
हाँ, वो बहुत लेट माने हमारे. हाँ, अरमान, you tell me which shape is this?
अल्लाह का बात करते हुए.
Rectangle.
हाँ. So that this is a rectangle. You can see there are trees. This is land and this is farm. जो farmers होते हैं ना वो borders पे से fencing करते हैं. Maybe if you have seen. Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I
Garden
see.
also. हाँ, and in garden also and all the farmers also. They always make all this fencing means in the border. बॉर्डर पे ही ऐसे सब फेंसिंग, या तो कोई कांटे वाले प्लांट्स होते हैं या तो कोई लग जाए वैसे कार. Whoever's mic is this, I think Sabu Meman only. Please mute your mic. So now, as Arman said that this is a rectangle. So now you have to count that this is how many centimeter or meter, okay? How many units are there? Count and tell me.
Ma'am, means that object is ये रखा है वो ही ना.
हाँ, मतलब between these you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6,
1
7.
मीटर के गैप पे होगा.
Miss 16. 16.
नहीं,
60.
only this one side. In rectangle we write for all four, no, different. ये
Ma'am,
दोनों
10.
का ऐड थोड़ी करते हैं हम रेक्टेंगल में.
10.
ऊपर का अलग.
10.
हाँ. So in rectangle upside is 10 and this side.
Oh, this side. 1, 2,
नहीं अबू बेमन
4.
8 है.
4. 5. 5. Ma'am, 5. Yes, 5.
One, two, three,
Yes,
four,
yes.
five. That's
Excuse
five.
me, miss.
2 मिनट रुक मैम याबू मेरे मन तो केफ है
Kef Ocha, that one. Musan.
मुसानी मोहम्मद
But
केफ
now we write perimeter, no?
Ha. So if I want to like farmer or someone wants to make border for whole. So perimeter means a total of all the sides, no? And even we can find using formula also. So who will
Yes.
tell me which is length and which is breadth here?
Ma'am, Hassan?
Yes, Hassan.
Ma'am, 10 is length and 5 is breadth.
And what is the formula of perimeter? Now someone else will say. Hassan will not say.
तो डोलिया विल से
Yes.
क्या बोलने गए बोलो तो बोलो
Perimeter of rectangle formula.
2 multiplied by L plus B
Yes.
2
Okay. This is the formula. You have to put L this here and where B is written there this. So count and tell me everyone how many you will get. In the formula you put and then tell me.
Ma'am, Hassan can tell.
No, someone else. Now Ahad will also not speak and Hassan also, someone else.
Why?
Huh? I should give the chance to someone else. So who will tell me if we will put here 10, here 5?
Ma'am, first of all, we plus, no?
What way?
Ma'am,
Yes.
first of all, we plus, no? Length plus breadth.
हाँ तो वो फाइनल आंसर कोई बोलेगा बट यू डोंट से आई वांट
Ma'am, no one say, then I say.
हाँ if no one will give the answer then whose turn has come this?
18.
I think so no one is ready. So Hassan say
Ma'am, 30.
हाँ but step wise now.
Oh, okay. First of all, we length plus breadth means 10 plus 5
Yes.
is equals to 15.
Yes.
15 multiplied by 2,
30.
30.
Okay.
Means
Good.
answer is
And even if you do normally, no, then 10 plus 5, 15 plus 10, 25 and plus 5, so 30. Means without formula. Without formula also, if you will add, you will get 30. And using formula also, you will get 30.
But in exam we see the formula, no?
Yes, using the formula only. Compulsory.
Yes.
Now, which shape is this? This land is not rectangular. You can see.
Ma'am, Hassan can tell?
square
Square.
Yes.
Yes, square.
So in this,
Ma'am, here we doesn't count the side because side is given and in square. Tell? In square,
square
four
has
sides is
equal size
seven sides are 7 that all the sides are.
side
so who will tell me the formula? Someone
Ma'am,
else?
Hassan?
No, not you.
On one side, 7 piece of wires used.
Who will tell me perimeter of square formula?
Hassan, tell?
No.
No one is given.
That day I think so I told to everyone to read one time. Then everyone read also means one time. And
Yes,
now I
ma'am.
all forgot, which is very bad.
I call out the name. What
I
one student?
That's why I told to everyone to read. But now
Ma'am, tell. Now I tell.
और क्या बोलो
4 multiplied by side by side.
side by side
So,
You also
oh,
forgot what?
length of side, ma'am, length of side.
4 multiply by length
Length
of.
of side. No, ma'am, side by side I remember. So that
So what is length of side here?
7.
7. So 4 multiply by 7.
7.
What will be the answer?
Sun candle,
Yes.
28. 4 7
20.
28.
Miss.
Huh? So many sums we had done. This question one also we have finished, in which there was a rectangular here, you can see. This question one also and question two also, but then also you all forgot, which is very bad.
Miss, I know.
Hello, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, chat box, Dolia and Amin Mehta, then Abu Mehman and that all are talking
What?
in
What they are?
chat.
What?
कईक ना कईक लिखे मैम कुछ कुछ जो भी
नहीं
मन में आए वो लिखते ही जा रहे हैं मैम.
But
नहीं
what?
जो डोलिया मेरे को कब का बोल रहा है कौन है केशव रेहान कौन है केशव है मिस जो
खुश नहीं की पूरी
मैंने कहा केवाय નથી देता मिस जो
कितना
तुम
शरीफ है.
का बोलने नहीं देते थे किसी को.
मैम यू कम एंड सी ओनली. कब से बातें कर रहे हैं चैट बॉक्स में.
So again, learn this formula, everyone. Those who forgot, please. Or today also, shall I tell to everyone to read five time? Then you will understand.
मैम
Yes.
मैम in perimeter of square we write that 4 multiplied side by side, so that is not
Only
formula.
side by side. Only side. 4 multiply by side.
Okay. Okay.
So we are now doing this question 3, because I know that there are so many students who are still not interested. So hope now only Hassan will not give the answer, but everyone will give the answer. And in this
Ma'am,
question, how much we have finished?
ma'am, this I understood that
I
what we have done.
think so D or E we have finished
Ma'am, when you finish it?
last time. No, question 2 I told you to write and then match the answer. So those who had
Yes.
match the answer and then tell me
Yes,
your
ma'am, this we completed and we met the answer also.
okay. You all have matched the answer, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Now
So
this exercise we have to write.
okay. So this is question 3, and here read the heading together, everyone. एक साथ जरा read.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Question 3. Find the
find
perimeter
the
of this
perimeter of
rectangle.
these rectangles
Hmm. So here you can see the rectangle word is used, means this A, B, C, D, that all are rectangle, means name of the rectangle. Okay, rectangle A,
Yes.
rectangle B, rectangle C, that way. So this A, B, C, D are name of the rectangle.
And length and breadth are given.
And now we will see that in this table total how many lines are given. So not Hassan but someone else will tell me how many lines are given and what are that
Ma'am,
lines.
can I say, ma'am, can I say Pariyani Shafiq?
3
Shafiq say.
3.
3 lines. Now
मैं
from
तो
3
बोल
lines, in 2 lines numbers are given. Yes, in first line these many numbers are given. So what is that first line? What is
Ma'am,
written?
Ocean candle.
Ma'am,
Nine.
can I be the yes?
Yes.
Ma'am, length. Length.
Yes. Ma'am, Hassan is speaking the answer.
Uh,
अरे,
Length.
what?
Length.
Hassan now don't speak. Huh?
okay, ma'am.
Length.
So yes, now tell me in second line all these numbers are given. That is what?
Ma'am, it is breadth of the rectangle.
Yes. So in the heading it is given that these are rectangle means these A, B, C, D are name of the rectangle. So if I'm talking about rectangle A, so rectangle A is this, and length of rectangle A is this, breadth of rectangle A is this. So that way we
हेलो
have to.
मैम
Huh?
मैम मेरा तो फेसबुक में पूरा 12A हो गया पूरा
Very good, very good. So now you just have to say the answer and you have to match your answer. That's it. You don't have to write.
Ma'am, now can I say?
Wait, huh? So now we will do rectangle B. Okay, rectangle B. So who wants to do it in rectangle B?
Hassan?
What is L
मैम
and
परियानी शफीक
Ma'am, Hassan?
Rehan,
मैम परियानी
Rehan,
शफीक
first Shafiq
Rehan.
will say, then Rehan will say, and then Hassan. हाँ
Okay.
Shafiq say.
मैम मैम पहले 2 + 4
Yes, 2 plus 4.
6 2 + 4 plus 2 + 4 6
Yes,
2 6 are 12
very
and
good.
answer is 12
So now match your answer, everyone.
मैम done
Yes, ma'am, answer is right.
Very good. Only one student has matched the answer. And those who have not written like all these boys, I think so. Hassan has already tried this, and Shafiq has also finished this. So other students can try with me right now only, and then they can match the answer.
Ma'am, second also finished.
Wow, very good. So you can also match your answer and tell me that your answer is right or not. So match your
My answer is always correct.
good.
हेलो मैम
Huh?
मैम मैंने कहाँ से पूरा 12 किया पता है ट्यूशन टीचर से
Good. But now you have to try by yourself. Here means when you give the answer, don't look from the that book, huh? Because maybe if your tuition teacher helps you, then you will give the answer. Okay. So
Ma'am,
next who wants to do? Rehan, I think so.
ma'am, Hassan, you tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, to Rehan, I think so.
Yes,
I told.
ma'am.
And not
Yes,
both the
ma'am.
time. I think so.
मैम
Gabran,
रेहान टर्न मैम रेहान टर्न
Rehan told me no. Gabrani Rehan.
Yes.
No, I
नो
told
मैम
that
शेख
Rehan.
रेहान
First
Yeah,
Gabrani
ba.
Rehan, then
Yeah,
Hassan,
Gabrani Rehan.
and then Sheikh Rehan. So Gabrani Rehan, you can tell me that in rectangle C, how much
Yes.
is and how much is breadth? See, look the table here upside the table is given in that rectangle C. So how much is L and how much is B? So here what should I write for L and B?
Ma'am, Hassan can tell.
No.
Ma'am, who give the answer?
Gabrani Rehan, shall I pass the question now?
Yes.
Okay. So Hassan, tell me that in this rectangle C, what is
Hmm.
L and what is B?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, length is 3 and breadth is 4.
Yes. Then
Ma'am,
next,
ma'am,
yes.
I have doubt, ma'am. Um, s- uh,
Sometimes length is small and sometimes length is big.
yes,
Okay. Whose mic
that
was that?
also I doubt.
I know that you will have that doubt because I know my students very well. So when nothing is given, no, that from these both number which is length and which is breadth, like in that question one.
Hmm.
So whichever is bigger, no, that is length. But when in the question only they are saying that this is length, this is breadth, that we can't say that longer is the length. Okay. When in the question only they are saying no, this small number is length, so we can't change. But in question one, if you remember, no, nothing was given that this much is L and this much is B. Okay.
Yes. Okay,
Huh.
ma'am. So 3 plus 4, 7.
Yes. Then
2 sevens are 14.
yes. So match your answer, everyone.
Yes, ma'am. My answer is right, Hassan.
Ma'am, second answer is correct.
Okay. And Shafiq, what about you?
I'm done.
You have already done, you told me. But now match your answer also, and now you understood, no? Means you can do no by yourself also. अपने आप से करने को बोलते ना वापस.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Ma'am, next
yes.
मैं बोलूँ ना? Ma'am, next मैं करूँ?
हाँ, शेख रेहान no?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So D you how to do? Okay. D. So where is the rectangle D in the table that you to see? And then you have to tell me what is L and what is B here. How much?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, L is 5 and B is 4.
Very good. Then
Ma'am, plus करेंगे.
yes, very good. So 5 plus 4.
9.
Yes. Then here 9 twos are because 2 multiplied by 9 is written. So 2 nines are
18.
yes. Very good. Match your answer. I think so, Hassan and Shafiq.
Ma'am,
Right.
right answer.
Ma'am, my answer is right.
Ma'am, right answer, Hassan.
Okay. And what about Ayaz and Ragib? I think so. They were
Ma'am,
also
right
there.
answer, Shafiq.
I want to know that they have tried this or they are trying or not. May I know Ayaz and Ragib?
Ma'am, they both are in meeting.
As I want to ask them only. If you have any other problem, you can tell me that I can find the solution. But
Ma'am,
if you
that
Yes,
Ragib,
ma'am.
so please share your problem. That why are you not trying or why did you not try this already? Yes, Ragib. Then I don't know who else are present. Whoever is present and not giving answer.
Then number 3 I have tried. Only number 2's space I have kept.
Okay, so you are trying, no now. Then just tell me,
Ma'am,
where.
I had tried.
Okay, so just to match your answer because you all have tried so. So we will do this fast that you can. We will start next question also. And what about other student? Please tell me your problem that I can know.
yeah, try.
Now, who wants to say E?
Hassan,
Only, only.
Ma'am, Shafiq.
Okay, Ayaz will say. Ayaz, how much is L and how much is B?
Ma'am, 2 minutes. My father's important call is coming.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I will give him a question F. So who wants to solve E? Not Shafiq, not Hassan, and not Sheikh Rehan. Someone else.
ma'am, I spoke name that who are.
Ma'am, can I talk with Ragib Hassan?
Yes, Raghu.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, first perimeter of rectangle, 2 multiplied by length plus breadth.
Yes,
And then 2 multiplied by 5 plus 2.
yes. So
Means
next,
that 2 multiplied by 7.
yes, in next step we have to write 7 because 5 plus 2 is 7. Then next step 2 multiplied by 7. So how much?
14.
Yes. So match your answer, everyone. Shafiq, Hassan, Sheikh Rehan, whoever
Ma'am,
has
right.
check the answer.
Ma'am, Paryan is
Where
right.
is Arman also? I think so. He was also in starting giving the answer. Arman, are you there in the meeting? Sorry, Arman.
Ma'am, my answer is right.
Hassan, just take now.
Who are there? Going
Arman, Gori Arman.
there.
Because in starting he was also giving the answer.
Ma'am, second answer is right.
Very good. Now next one to do means whose turn has come will not speak. Someone else.
Ma'am, you tell that I give to Hasan.
No, someone else. Because I want to know that why the students are not speaking or not asking the doubt. See, if they didn't understand, they should ask the doubt. And they understood, they should give the answer. So now I am confused. They understood or not?
Ma'am, no one is asking down. Aswal also.
Ah, you are asking that, that I know. Even your doubt I know also. Sometimes. That
No,
you have not.
ma'am. I
Yes, ma'am, beta, yes.
Ha, so you have to solve now F because see that Ravi has solved.
Okay, ma'am.
F,
Ma'am, 3 plus 6, 9. Multiply by 2 is equal to 18.
yes, very good. Excellent. Now make your answer, everyone. Hassan, Ragib, Sheikh Rehan, Shafiq,
Ma'am,
Mehta.
answer is right.
Okay,
yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Brianna, the
Right
answer is right.
answer. Yes, ma'am. My answer is right, Hasan.
very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
My
Brianna's
answer is right.
answer is right.
So now we are starting next. So that also someone else. Who will say? Someone else.
Ma'am, Brianna Shafiq can.
Ah, but let me see that those who are not, those who have not given even one answer. First, they are ready or not. If they are not ready, then you can give the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Is there anyone who is ready and who has not given the answer any one time? Abuzar? Abuzar is there?
Ma'am, answer do Mohammad Reza.
Yes, Mohammad Raza. You can see this table that this is a rectangle G. So you tell me from the table that how much is L and how much is B for G.
Okay, ma'am. L.
L is,
L is
see this both the number are given no in the table. So their headings
yes,
are
ma'am.
given. So you tell me 4 is what and 6 is what?
4 in centimeter, 6 B in centimeter,
Hey, here something is written. What is
L
that?
in centimeter, L.
Huh. So L means length. And here also L is there no? See in that formula.
Yeah. L
Okay?
is length,
Breadth.
B means
Breadth. So
breadth.
you tell me L is how many means so in G rectangle G L कितनी है कितने
L
सेंटीमीटर how many centimeter see
5
this is rectangle G so you see that number only
rectangle G.
G here in the table it is given ते 4 जो है 4 वो क्या है
4 L in centimeter.
हाँ 4 is length okay and what is 6
6 B in centimeter.
हाँ
Breadth.
6 is B means breadth okay so here we have to put 4 and 6 ओके एल जहाँ पे लिखा है वहां पे 4 लिखना है एंड बी जहाँ पे है वहां पे 6 ओके मोहम्मद रजा
Yes.
तो 4 प्लस 6
4 plus 6.
here
10.
plus is written no that's why 4 plus 6 10 then here what we will do Mohammed Reza
Here
what is written here 2 multiply by 10 that is written no this
2 5s are 10.
nahi 2 multiply by 10 how many
2 multiply by 10.
2 tens
2
are
multiply. Yeah.
2 tens are
2 tens are 2 tens are 20.
good so now you have to do one more question huh? That I can understand that how you understood. Okay, you have to do next H also. Mohammad Raza.
Yes.
This is H.
Yes.
You in H, how much is L and how much is B?
Woman is
See in the table
empty.
I have put the circle for H. So what is L and what is B? कितना कितना?
Length. L
हाँ
means length. B means breadth.
हाँ तो वो कितने कितने हैं? In the table numbers
So
are given and I have put the circle also. टेबल में मैंने सर्कल किया है वहाँ पे नंबर्स भी दिए हैं ना?
yes.
हाँ सो टेल मी.
5, 6.
हाँ 5 और 6 तो उसमें से 5 क्या है और 6 क्या है?
5. 5 लेंथ है और 6 breadth है.
यस तो यहाँ पे L जहाँ पे है वहाँ पे 5 लिखना है और B हो वहाँ पे
क्या?
क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे?
यहाँ पे 6.
यस वेरी गुड. तो 5 प्लस 6
5 plus 6. 11.
yes. Then next step
Next step. 2.
here which sign is given?
Multiply.
हाँ so multiply.
Yes, ma'am. 11 twos are
हाँ
1. 1.
11 twos are so multiply 2 ones are
Yeah.
multiply by this see 2 ones are 2 then 2 ones are 2 that way okay then you will
Yes.
get 22 like this.
20.
Do you want to do one more because I have doubt that still maybe you didn't understand.
Yes, ma'am. One more.
Okay, so one more Mohammed Reza will do and then J Arman will do. And other student just match your answer, huh? I'm not telling you because we have to start next question also. That's why. So please match your answer, huh? And then afterward tell me at last. Mohammed Reza, now you tell me about I. यहाँ पे क्या लिखते
I
हैं? L और B की
8,
जगह.
8, 6.
Yes, very good. 8 plus 6. Then next step.
Next step. Multiply.
है multiply.
नहीं. 8 plus 6 is
Yes. तो कितना होगा 8 plus 6?
12.
कितना? 8 plus 6, 12.
Yes.
Count one more time and tell me.
Okay, ma'am. 14.
Very good. Then next step.
Multiply.
हाँ
14 twos are
हाँ
20.
you can multiply like this also if you don't know the table.
28.
हाँ very
28.
very good. Now I'm sure that you will understand. You will do next time by yourself. Now Arman, you want to do now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So you can do this J and tell me that here what should I write instead of L and B?
Yes, ma'am. Here 7, 9.
7 and 9. 7 plus 9.
Yes. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16.
Then next step.
2 16s are 32.
Very good. So we have finished all. So please match your answer everyone. These all the answers are here only. You can see. Match your answer
Yeah.
from your fair book or whichever you have tried and then just tell me.
Yes,
These are
ma'am. Sir, answer is right.
okay. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. Sir, second answer is right. Key.
Very good.
Ma'am, Pariyani Sabha answer is right.
Very good. Okay. Then any other student? Those who have tried. And I will send also this
My answer is right.
PDF. Okay, very good in the group. But I think so. If you will first try and then if you will match the answer, no, then it will be good. Because when you will just copy paste no from PDF or from board, that is not good. Even when I was teaching in the class, no, that time also I never tell to student to copy from the board. Because if you copy from the board or from the PDF, you will not understand, you will not learn. So first you should try. Okay, so hope that those who have not written first they will try and then they will match the answer. So first match the answer. Huh? Now we are starting this. So again I'm giving the same example of that. First you read the heading. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. Everyone just read the heading because heading is very important.
Yes, question 4. Question 4. The perimeter is given. Find the sides of the squares.
So in the heading also it is 10:07. So let me start this tomorrow, but I'm just explaining not tomorrow. Tomorrow I have proxy of Alpesh sir. I think so. He has last lecture in your class, and I have proxy because he will be absent tomorrow. So tomorrow also be present because we will do this question 4.
Ma'am, who answered? Who answered?
Alpesh sir is absent, so he has last lecture in your class. That Rachita ma'am told me. So I have proxy in your class tomorrow, last lecture.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
here you see the heading perimeter is given means के answer दे दिया है जो total
मैम
होता है.
समझा तो नहीं सर आगे
तो
समझ गए
perimeter दे दिया है मतलब जो total होता है वो.
मैम वो समझ आ गई है
हाँ बट दूसरों को तो समझाने दे. हाँ so perimeter दे दिया है square का because you can see here square word is used here. This square means ये rectangle नहीं है but which shape is this square.
स्क्वायर मींस
हाँ
4 sides are equal.
total is given total of all four side.
Yes, it's 28.
We are taking this square B.
Okay.
तो B में total क्या है means perimeter 40.
What is
Now suppose if I am telling you कि your mother is giving 40 rupees to you for 4 days. 4 दिन के एक साथ 40 rupees दे दिए. चारों दिन इक्वल रुपीस तुम्हें स्पेंड करने हैं. तो एक दिन के कितने हुए 4 दिन के 40 तो 1 डे के कितने हुए.
10.
हाँ who said that speak loudly.
मैम 10.
हाँ for 4 days 40 so 1 day 10. 10 10 फिर 40 होते ना that way. And here how many sides are there in square.
4 sides.
4 sides. तो 4 sides का
Divide.
मिला के 40 तो 1 side का कितना.
To divide.
हाँ divide by 4 so you will get 10. Okay.
Yes.
So if possible just try because we have to use this formula. You can see here I have written कि length of side of square equals to perimeter divide by 4. मतलब जो total होता है 40 है 64 है जितना भी है divide by 4 is one. So if possible you can try and then you can match your answer in next lecture. So
Okay.
and that activity also I want to show which is made by Raujani India of 5th girl. You can see her name. She has drawn this. She has used that page only that I told you no.
Ma'am, I have also drawn this, but I have not written the pen.
Okay. So those who have done, they can see just this that you can improve your. So that take this page only. Then you can see the leg. So for leg also one full box here box. Then for border you have to just count this border for perimeter. And for area you have to count all these boxes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
You tell that in fourth textbook we have to take this page, but ma'am, I have not the textbook.
ટેક્સ્ટબુક નહીં फेरबुक मैथ्स में वो 2 नंबर ने 5 नंबर नहीं होती थी एला तू तो यहाँ पे नहीं था सो यू आर नॉट हियर बट लास्ट ईयर ऑल दिस
हेलो
बॉयज
मैम।
हाँ
मैम रिमाइंडर में क्या करने का है? प्लस करना है।
कौन सा रिमाइंडर पेरीमीटर एरिया दो चीज होती है पेरीमीटर के लिए
हाँ।
बॉर्डर प्लस करना है पेरीमीटर के लिए
प्लस करने का है ना उसमें।
बॉर्डर का और एरिया ये सारे बॉक्स काउंट करने हैं ये कितने बॉक्सेस है ओके
अंदर के ना मैम।
ओके
ओके मैम।
नाउ एनी डाउट्स
नो मैम।
मैम मुझे इस टाइप का पेपर मिला ही नहीं मुझे वो सिर्फ 1 mm या 2 mm के स्क्वायर होते हैं ना उस टाइप का पेपर मिला
just send me picture of that I can know okay you should do or not you send me picture of that page and then I will tell you that in that you do or not
Ma'am, but what should I do?